I'll be playing Minecraft. Oh my gosh. I like watching it. Okay, I'm just gonna close it. Whatever. Oh, there's a bonus chest. Oh, nice. That's a lot. Okay, we're gonna go to the village. Get the village here. Can I put it in here? No. What is the sun look like, bro? The sun looks awesome. Let's craft. Did not I install the mod? I think. Oh yeah, I did. Where would I drop my axe? What the hell? What? The sun is lighting fires. Like clearly. But stop with the village, bro. Bro, this stupid sound. Bro, this realistic mod's cursed. Okay, it just killed one village. Ouch. That hurts. Ow, fire. That hurts, bro. Bro, why is the sun like that, bro? Sun would never look like that. Ow. Oh wait, also. No, the villager. Is there some village or no? Okay, there's still some more village though. But one that bad. Oh, there's a cave. Oh, not the cave. Why does the sun look like that? The zombie will come in, bro. Okay, let's make a crafting table. We will craft like where they have pickaxe. We'll craft a door for the village. So if some village come, the zombie cannot come. No need any door. Okay, I place this door down. How would I do this? Okay, bro, that took a lot long. Some stone. What was that? The hell was that? I saw. I don't know what was that or something. Just need coal, not wood. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, finally. Can I put this? No, I cannot. I can't that be good. But it can light though. Yeah, it does light. Yeah, I can light. Oh, iron. I need. Okay, no way. I just can make a crafting table. Find the new iron. Okay, bro. So dark. Okay. Let's get that all in. Okay. Still haven't craft this. Still haven't craft a pickaxe. This pickaxe. Oh, one iron only? Nice, bro, nice. One iron. Frick. Okay, bro. I'm gonna get my other torch. Where's my other torch? What? Where did it go? Where is it, bro? Come on, torch. Where are you at? Okay. Where did I place it? A dropper or how? Where is it? Fine, bro, fine. Okay. Hey, villagers. Great no man. Bro. What it doesn't took now. Okay, how about I go here? How it takes. Okay. Is that the block? No, it's not the block. Hello, Mr. Craig. Are you friendly? Okay, you're friendly. You didn't talk.
Ano?
Because only have one torch. Really, bro? I need the one torch. Oh my god. Oh, this is a cool one. It's gonna be.
Ang kanay. Oray na ito.
Hulo, kinasin.
Mara man ito dito kita.
Ada ka parasin nga da.
Ano ka para sa hindi ka magsin?
Let's go.
Kaya mo to na kadi ako nakuan na da.
Oh, oray na ito, ti.
Oray na ito yan. Raihan na.
Ihan, no.
Pwede ito mabalik.
Pwede ka dito, pero i-request pa ito na amon, di pa ito yan, no.
Recover.
I-recover pa ito na amon.
Ay, ano ba ito?
Iya lagi.
What the? Oray na ito.
Dapat nakita na kung
The
ano
sun
lang
is
si
setting.
Gawas.
Apparently. Oh!
Pero mo yun,
What? So cool,
Ano
bro.
ba no?
dapat.
The maps, bro. Okay, let's go to sleep. Let's go to sleep. That is so a lot of church. Okay, let's go mine tomorrow. The villager
Wala
guy.
lang aga ginsen. Wala, di man ito namang di makakarawat ang kwarta.
Makakaraw tamang kwarta.
Wala ba ito di amon.
Let's go now.
Ma-request
Sleep
na ma-request
through the
na
night.
ito.
Iya pa ko dito.
Ipa ito niya na niya.
Pinasuko na ko ito dati, kay Carlo.
Ito? Oo.
Bro! Bro!
Ito na ako na Gcash.
But it's too far away.
Ayan na ito, waray na. Dami na ada di nalulungan. Ito. Waray na ito.
Okay, let's get some wood.
Oh, diri ito makukuha dito na puto. Diri ito makukuha dito. Diri kaya ito na sinlangan ito. Kami ito makuha na ito. Pero diri ito nira mahatag dahil itong Gcash. Yung Gcash mo na mahatag ito hamon.
Get the wood.
Maulat pa kita ito ma-process. Ipa-process pa ito nira. Kaya ito yung misoray mo.
Get wood.
Dar mga kanida, nakagawas.
Pakitan.
Sorry na tunara ka step.
Ha?
Ito na. Pero mahatag
Okay,
ko
bro.
mo.
Son, don't burn the iron golem. Okay? Okay, I'm not gonna kill it. Cause he's gonna punch me. See him. Let's go in here. Wee.
Tawarin mo.
Stealing the chest. Oh! Nice. That's a lot, chest. That's a lot. Thank you, Mr. Sir. Thank you. Okay, now can I have all the bread? You need foods. Okay, that's a nice view. Also, iron. Let's craft something. Because I still don't have coal. Okay, we got 27 wood. Nice. Gonna put that in there. But let's just save that later. I'm gonna craft. And I'm gonna craft iron pickaxe. So I need that. Iron ingot. Okay, let's go down. No, don't burn. Bro, the stupid sun, bro. Sun, please don't burn. The cat, no! He died. Poor cat.
May ito kasi manate.
I'm just gonna say my
May bola na.
iron later.
Dili pwede
Hold up, noise.
Bisan tubig tila. Ano na lang
The pig burning?
Alam.
Son, don't tell me you're keeping some, bro. The pig, bro. If you're gonna burn someone's house, bro. No, the pig. Aiming for the food. Poor pig. Son, stop burning some people.
Dapat nakita, di ka kung nakakita.
Kasali ko upload mo ha. Hindi natin, di ba? May ako nakuha nga ni upload. Ako pala ito nilisend ko. Na number.
More? Oh, that's a lot. Just need some coal. Oh, I already found some. Okay, we got coal. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, we need actually some coal so we can melt our iron. So we can get iron. So that'd be good.
Kaya yung kabataan na ada, pagkakal pala siya yung eskwela, oray gasolina motor.
Time is it though? You can go to school now. Okay, I broke my pickaxe. Be bad. It's fine. Okay, we got that a lot. How many coal? We got 14. That's not the coal. Working 40 cobblestone, bro. But no iron. Nice. I can make an iron. Okay, bro. That's not it. This way. No. I'm just gonna leave it there. Gonna melt the iron. I'm gonna go to school, guys. Wait. Mom, wait, please. Come on, Mom. Don't take so long. You have to go to school. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in the next video.